There we go. That's much better. Anyway, welcome back. I know it's a little bit too late, but we gotta code this quick. Um, Hello again. My name is Double Lemon, aka Akachu slash tonight at Museum. So yeah, we're just gonna be coding some stuff here and leave it at that. So let's turn our things over to VS Code. Because yet again, I'm coding and things. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I have to deal with this. Okay, so I think it's a bit hot, so let's check out our game bar. Okay, so it has our game bar, but the CPU is a little bit odd today, so we're gonna pin this just in case. So let's switch apps here. So you take a look at the CPU right on the bottom here. Or maybe you can just see it, but you can't. So yeah, it's already 72% on CPU utilization, which is not good, but considering that this was the norm on my on my previous PC back in the day, I think I can just safely assume that it was the case. So let's swap. Let's have this spray mic on, and yeah, let's begin. So which of these things are we gonna be looking to? So show F5 because we're gonna run it on a website, and it already had maxed out there. Yeah. Like, so the Reincarnated Phoenix Queen would like to have your attention, please. So, yeah, that's really good. The Evertale series. Join Enemy Hunter journey as they unravel the secrets of Eridan and beyond for Evertale, a Japanese RPG developed by Six Game. Streaming every Friday and Saturday. Okay, so streaming every Friday and Saturday. Streaming every Saturday, streaming every Friday and Saturday. Let's reload that. So, if you guys remember this one here, this is essentially 5th October. 5th October. This is essentially my browser instance, but it's yeah. So, okay, so it's not every streaming every Friday. We got the Architect's Daughter. We got Twitter. Well, I'll leave it as mobile.x.com/x. There it is. So we're also gonna be updating that. So footer. How's the footer going? It is doing lovely. Padding 30px to 2px. But you gotta deal with on the sounds too. 15, 30, 45. Alright. Don't have mobile.x.com, but we're just gonna get to Twitter. Because it's still Twitter here, but maybe on the other side of the spectrum it will be going as x.com. Okay, never mind. It does work. I have it on the Discord. Actually, you know what? Let's just try to take a look at the Discord. Because I probably might have had it in here. So for those who have just been on my Discord for a while now, the Affinis here. I'm just gonna name it as just Affinis. Yes. Probably I forgot the schedule there, so never mind. With no real information what's going on here, let's just exit that for now and try to do it over on our main ship, which is mobile.com. So whatever the hell that is. This is my actual browser instance, by the way. If you guys are very well aware, this is my own browser instance, which has a lot of these things here. It has some of the extensions there. But we'll just get to the nitty gritty of these things. So we're just gonna do. I'm just gonna modify this for a second there. Um, this course CDN. We're not gonna be doing the CDN now. We're gonna be doing the PBH to image JPG name large. There we go. Awesome. Let's go ahead and dial in there. It's just gonna be a small fix, not big of a deal. I might try to regularly update this more often. Then Control F5 to relaunch. It's a bit laggy now. Oh no. I mean, we got video, a background there, but it also got PC face, so a lower in the fast life. Oh, okay, so this is where the algae comes from here. You know, this kind of like some algae on the original one. This was supposedly the thing, but so that was the main cause why I have the head bobbing thing on this model's head. So not much we can do here except that we're gonna be having to deal with that. Let's try Twitch. But no, you know, this is already just a stream itself. Alright, so that's cool. How about YouTube? Such avatar as usual. I probably might have to update that one too. Oh, so here, this was mainstream. Literally exposed in there. So, Twitter/X, you know what that is. That's the email, but, you know, it spawns up like, default mail app or something like that. But hey, here's my schedule. Actually, you can see that we had some kind of like a picker going on here. This is me on my left, which is a mainstream. My mainstream, like I could do something like that. This is also me, but here in the alternative, you know, emission thing. Kind of like make it kind of like accurate or something, but not quite. It's just those quite some kind of palettes there. That's F12 first. That's F12 because we gotta open DevTools. Identify yourself. Or what is it? Tracking prevention access search to tracking prevention blocks access to storage for. Okay, so that was just a blocking prevention thing. It's a tracking detection thing. Not big of a deal, you know it is. I think my mouse is a little bit too finicky because I dropped it many times because this mouse just it's just acted up. Let's go ahead and device simulation this. Hey, it looks quite well. I mean, you can see that the thing is just sitting there. And let's see if we go through a lot of these things. Probably we have to update that or something. So let's go with 30px. But the font size. Oh, so got font size here. It's just gotta go put it to small. Let's see if that helps. Hey, that really helped. But can we go extra small or smaller? Probably not. So Emission is a part of Agatu's VTubing venture. It's a brand of development and associate / DBM Asok. Okay, so that's my ship. So because you know what my TBM result looks like, so it's the quick side up. Let's do the privacy search and service in a second. Let's just change our search engine. Um, Google. That's .com/line equals VM. It's why. Okay, so that's my share here. Stream has ended finally 4 chapters in a single stream. Let's do infinite mode here. Now let's see if SL works. Doesn't appear to be it. So let's just do command slash. Let's say literally command slash shoutout. There we go. That's my shit, alright? Okay. I got two Concerta, Shirta, that's my shit. Mama Dearest is already on here already. Mama Dearest is on here already because there's some kind of like a little bit of an origin behind the current bottle I was having on my mainstream. It originated from Mama Dearest, which is Sarah, and to the point that I had this kind of like hair color because 66898 is one of her colors in her palette. Then I inherited that here, and they kind of changed ever since. One of his favorites, retro spraying. Victor answered for notice. I don't know. Retro spraying is probably might be quite like a base hotel. It's for Friday that the one Westview's. It's a lot of things bearing that particular name. Kind of lucky at some point. Yo, Fanto. Un día al chat de reactores, los del chat, ayer se agregaron los procesos. Oh yes, this is reactors. This is Mama Queenie. Oh my god. Quick little up. Okay, so just was trying to tell me typing, but we didn't realize stream streams just froze. Finally, we got a disconnect. It's quick sync. It's a bit of a work in progress. I'm still having to reorganize the logos quite well, but take a look at these three beauties. The bottom part here is me. The tallest part here is Namadias, and the middle one here on the right is Namaquinius. Hina Audio / Hinaski. There's just a bit of an indefinite hiatus following some kind of health circumstances. So, anyways, that is my argument. What does he have, my man, in there? Look at him. He's crying. The crying face says it all. Shoutouts to me. Actually, the one who has this laptop originally owns this laptop, but you know, I got into it as well. I mean, he had a little bargain. I think Mystianica has some kind of like distinction there, what the hell that is, because they somehow look like the same. Yeah, they definitely do like the same, like Moondragon. I just call it Moondragon. I don't quite remember, but yeah. It's still the same thing, Jesus. It's the same thing! Both of them are the same thing! Aggie music and artists. But that ain't it. The Aggie is the one that I have. Yep, this one here. It's a crying face. Actually, you know what? Agatha is actually the one that was expressed by the developer of Bioshock here, you know, John C. But it got Mama Dear's face. Look at this thing. Oh my god, it's up there. Christ. What is going on? Why do you give me so much credit for having Mama Dearest on this thing? This is pretty odd. Like, you got your own mainstream profile, and then you got its originality. Actually, there's two originalities. Yeah, this thing, and then what do you know? We got this. The no face clip. What is going on? Anyway, that's all I gotta need to say here. At least we know that it's done. Let's go ahead and properly exit it. Just try to wait for it to exit. I have XVV on, so why the hell is that in? Anyway, let's just go to the GitHub thing and wait for it to have its own thing, I guess. Oh, there it is. It's just minor fixes. I just I'm gonna make a short stream. Don't you worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna have another website building stream tomorrow. It still doesn't crash, so we'll leave it up for just a bit. Let's minimize that. Let's try to push. Come on, just push. Push it already. Thanks. Anyway, that's gonna be it for the meantime here. Thank you so much. Short stream. Definitely we have some of the best over here. So let's go ahead and raid Mama Isai. Bye bye.